create a cut file from a PDF. First thing we got to do is set our scale. I know that's 6.5 inches. Just click 2 points on the scale, then input 6.5, and it'll be all scaled, ready to go. There it is. It looks, there's my scale. Now I'm going to trace the outline. We'll start with line, click trace start. Use the logic trace system to do this. I just click those points. There's those lines. Now I got an arc. I do the midpoint of the arc, the end point of the arc, midpoint, end point. This is so easy, so accurate. I can trace anything in just a few minutes and get a DXF file. Let's get this nice arc here. Whoops, let's erase that arc. Erase the arc and do it again. There it is. Now let's do a 3-point circle. Just come in here, click any 3 points on that circle. I'm all done. Let's save the DXF file.